Students, we are going to continue chapter number 2, People as Resource. Till now, you studied about investment in human capital, story of Sakal and Vilas. Now we are going to study next topic, economic activities by men and women, quality of population and unemployment. So first of all, we will see economic activities by men and women. Economic activities by men and women. Economic activities are classified into three main sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. The activities in the sector in the production of goods and services. So first of all, we will see primary sector. All activities which harvest or extract natural products from the earth or natural resources are classified in this category. These include agricultural, forestry, dairy farming, animal husbandry, fisheries, poultry farming, and mining. Second is secondary sector. Using product resulting from activities in the primary sector for manufacturing or finished goods is classified in this category. All manufacturing process and construction activity are included in the secondary sector. Third is tertiary sector. All activities which support the primary and secondary sectors are classified in this category. These include transportation, sales and services, education, banking, insurance, legal services, government, etc. Market activities involve remuneration to the people who perform an activity for pay or profit. Non-market activities include those activities which are not paid for. These include production for self-consumption or self-use. Example are housewife doing domestic work, looking after children, etc. Due to historical and cultural reasons, there is a division of labor between man and woman in the family. Women generally look after domestic chores and men work in the field, earning money which they spend on rearing their families. Education and skills are the major determinants of the earning of any individual in the market. Education and skill are the major determinants of earning of any individual in the market. A majority of women have meager education and low skill compared to men. In the primary sector, most women work where job security is not there and various activity relating to legal protection are meager. Employment in this sector is characterized by irregular and low income. There is an absence of basic facility like maternity leave, child care leave, and other social security system. Women with high education and skill are paid at par with men. In the organized sector, teaching and medicine attracted them the most. Some women also enter administrative and other services, including jobs that need high level of scientific and technology competence. Equality of population. The equality of population depends upon its literacy rate. Health of a person indicated by life expectancy and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. Literate and healthy population is an asset while the reverse of it is a liability for the economy of a country. The growth rate of the country is decided by the quality of the population. Now next topic is education. There is a provision made for providing universal access, retention and quality in elementary education with a special emphasis on girls. There is also an establishment of pay setting of a school like Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district. Vocational streams have been developed to equip large number of high school students with occupations related to knowledge and skill. The plan outlay on education has increased from rupees 151 crore in the first plan to rupees 43,825 crore in the 10th plan. The expenditure of on education as a percentage of GPD rose from 0.64% in 1951.52 to 3.98% in 2002 and 3. The literacy rate have increased from 18% in 1951 to 65% in 2001. Literacy is not only a right, it is also needed if the citizens are to perform their duties and enjoy their rights properly. However, a vast difference is noticed across different sections of population. Literacy among males is nearly 50% higher than females. Now next one is health. Proper health care helps a person to release his potential and ability to fight illness. An unhealthy person become a liability on the family as well as on society. There are many places in India which do not have even these basic facilities. Just four states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra have 81 out of 181 medical college. On the other hand, states like Bihar and Uttar Pradesh have poor health incidences and few medical colleges. So, the government national policies on health aims at improving the access to health care, family welfare and nutritional services. During the last 50 years, India has built up a vast healthcare manpower. There has been a manifold increase in health centers, hospitals, doctors and nursing personnel. Now last topic is unemployment. Unemployment exists when people who are willing to work at the going wages cannot find jobs. The workforce includes all people from the age of 15 years to 59 years. Children and elderly people are not included, so they will not be considered as unemployed. As Sakal's mother Sheila is unwilling to work outside her home for payment, she also cannot be called unemployed. Nature of unemployment in India. In case of India, there is unemployment in both rural and urban areas. However, the nature of unemployment differs between the two areas. In rural areas, there is seasonal and disguised unemployment. Urban area have mostly educated unemployment. So first of all, we will see seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. These are people dependent upon agriculture. Disguised unemployment. In disguised unemployment, all the people appears to be employed, but the work requires less number of people and so the unemployment is disguised. Educated unemployment. In urban area, educated unemployment is common phenomena. Many youth with graduation and matriculation post graduation degree are not able to find jobs. According to this study, the unemployment of uh, graduates and postgraduates has increased faster than matriculates. So student, I hope you understood till here. Chapter is over here.